Hello everyone, my name is Sindhu. I am from Khammam, Telangana. I have completed BTech in ECG from SRIT College, Warangal. I have developed the front end part of the online shopping application, which is similar to Amazon, named as Nxt Trendz. I developed this using the React. As my primary focus was to build the front end part, this application allows users to log in, search, sort, filter, select, and add them to the shopping cart. The learning objective of this project was to implement the concepts such as uh, authentication, state management, context, page navigation, media queries, and flexbox in the code by following the clean code guidelines. Coming to the authentication concept, I have implemented the basic authentication flow by handling the common errors like invalid username and invalid password. I used cookies to persist the user credentials across page reloads. Coming to the state management and navigation concepts, I used context for state management for creating the global state to manage the cart state across routes. I used React router for navigation within the application. Additionally, I also implemented the protected routes to access based on the user roles. Uh, as my primary focus was to build the front-end application, I integrated the mock APIs for displaying the data. I used the implemented the clean code guidelines by following the consistent folder structure and used the meaningful naming conventions such as prefixing the event handlers with on and creating components, reusable components throughout the application. And to ensure the responsiveness of the design, I used the flexbox and media queries for layouting. I have planned to develop the backend using the Node.js and Express.js to replace the mock API implementation. This allows me to have more control over the data and also allows me the more features like user profiles and product recommendations. Now I will show you how my application works. This is the home page of the application, and this is the login page of the application. If the URL is given, it will be redirected to the login page. The code related to the login page is written in the login component. As I have given that if the path is slash login, then the login form component should be called. In login form component, here it is a login form component. The code which is related in the front end is written in the login form component. And if we give the incorrect username or password, then we will get an error as invalid username. And if we give the current credentials and click on the login, then the page is redirected to the home page. As if the path is slash, then the component home should be called. The code which is related to the home component is written in the home home component. Here is the list of the components which I have prepared are stored in the components folder. And if we click on the products section, then the products page will be opened, and the code which is related to the products page is written in the products component. Here we can see if the path is like slash login slash products, then the component products component should be called. And if we click on the item, then it is redirected to the product item details page. The code which is related to the product item details page is written in the product item details component. And if we click on the add to cart button, the item is added in the cart component. And if we click on the Nxt Trendz logo, it is redirected to the home page. And if we click on the logout button, it will be redirected to the login page. And for the responsiveness, I used Flexbox and media queries. And this is seen in the large devices. By using the developer tools, we can see how it is visible in the small, extra small and medium devices. See, it is how visible in the small devices. See, and if we go to the products section, here are the list of the products which is displayed here. And in the large devices, it looks like this. Thank you for listening to my project explanation. I will provide the URL of my application in the description box. Please go through the URL and check. Thank you and bye.